Welcome to your first lecture with Coding with Roby. In this lecture, we'll be installing Python on a Mac and Windows machine. The first thing you need to do is go to python.org. So let's click the Downloads button. Python already knows that I'm on a Mac, so I'll click Download Python 3.9. Once it's installed, I'm going to walk through the installation process. I will continue clicking Continue. If you're installing on a Windows machine, make sure you click Add Python 3.9 to path or whatever version of Python you're downloading. This is extremely important for Windows users. I'll click Agree to the license. You can change your installation location. I won't. And then finally, you have to type in your password to install the software. This could take a while, so I'll return when the installation is complete. Okay, so the installation is complete and I'm on the summary page. So I will click Close and I will move the installation to the trash. Let's now open up your Applications folder. And inside your Applications folder, there should be a new Python folder that was created. On my machine, it's called Python 3.9. Let's open up the folder, and if you have the idle Python installed, then it's safe to say that you have Python installed. So let's reopen up the terminal. If you type in Python -- version, you'll probably see that you still have the 2.7 installed. So this time, let's type in Python 3 -- version, which should show the Python that you have installed. For Windows users, let's open up your command prompt. And inside your command prompt, let's type in Python version. When you press enter, it should tell you the version of Python you have installed on your Windows machine. And from here, you can continue following the tutorial, as a terminal and the command prompt will work the exact same way after you type in Python. So let's create our first Python application from the terminal. Just type in Python. When you're here, let's type in print, 2 parentheses, 2 double quotation marks, and then inside type in hello world. Press enter, and you should get hello world returned back in your terminal. This concludes installing Python. And as a bonus, you wrote your first Python application. I'll see you in the next lecture.